gotta move it so we can get that van out of here, man. Woo!
This is Bobby T, and you're watching Makeshift Garage. You're watching Makeshift Garage.
Window. Very cool car. This is a very cool car. I just gotta cut a little of the bump. Well, it don't really hit the bumper, I don't think. I could cut that fender out of there and call it a day. It looks like the back. I really don't care. This car owes me nothing, man. Actually, it was a freebie, so. I just gotta disconnect the battery. All winter that battery sat, man, and just fired right up. Pretty cool, but that's because I disconnected it, though. I did do the disconnect on it, you know. I gotta tighten up the belt here a little bit, but it runs really, really pretty good, man. Truthfully, it's a turnkey. It moves around the yard and whatnot, but I really want to go through this now and get it really good and then paint the thing. I want it to be nice, but I'm not going to go through it because I have so many projects yet. So at least it turns the key. I can move it around. It starts, it moves, it goes. That's all I need, bro. Whew. We're happy with everything here now. We got the minivan running. That thing I got for free, so that's running. We got the Lincoln Navigator running. That we got for free. That's running. This thing's running. I'm gonna let it set. This thing is running. The Jackass runs, but I got heads for it. Let me close this up first. I gotta put a spring on it. 1965, no, 63. It needs a spring to hold the thing in place. This I gave away. Now look, if the guy don't come for this car, I'm gonna put this in the Demolition Derby. We're just gonna take it and blow it up, man. It's a great engine, 5-speed, great running car. Devin hit a deer, front end shot. Needs a hood, needs a bumper, needs a radiator support, a radiator, and an air conditioner condenser. Should we put it in Riverhead Raceway? And also, we put a new ignition in this thing now, so let's see. It should work right away. Let's see. Sounds good. I don't want to push it too far. It's cold. But, and then we got the Jackass, man. She's just chilling, waiting for some new heads. I don't even know. This thing might not even start. It's been sitting here forever. Look at this. That's the way I left it. Let's see what she looks like under there. I left something on there, so it's a little wet under there. I don't know, man. I don't know, bro. What do you think?
Fired up.
You think she's firing the hoe?
She probably fire up.
Well, let me put the forward key in first, and we'll see if she got a little fire in the hoe.
She might fire.
She might fire. I don't know. We found this thing, and somebody gave us this. This is like brand new, but look, it's already turned into shit. But let's see if it fires up. All right, you guys want to hear the bagpipes? Let's do a fire in the hoe. Let's see. It's been sitting. Let's see. What do I forgot how you run the car here. Here we go. I might have to put a little gas in it. On the other side, there's gas, Dev.
All right.
Let's see. I just put this thing on just to see, you know. Look at the funk on this carburetor already, man, just from sitting. Oh, it has a choke on it. I didn't know that. Oh, look at that. Let's see if she fires up without flames. I love the bagpipes on this too. Everything's cold. I don't want to beat on it, man. It's all cold. All the oil's cold. I gotta get rid of these wires. Oh, this is for my backup mirror, which I broke the camera in the back. So I probably should just rip the damn thing out. It ain't no good no more. I have 1969 heads to put on this. So I got a good set of heads. I want to clean them up. I want to redo the valves. And I want to put it on here because it's got a good cam in it. But it can't breathe, man. It can't burn the fuel with these freaking heads. These are garbage heads, man. So we had a lot of fun with them, but I want to get into the 8s and 7s, into the low 8s. Actually, I want to get into the 7s, low 7s. So let's see if I can do it with these other heads. I think I can. But first things first, let's get in the 8s. Yeah, baby. Look at that. See how it lifts it off there? It pops a little wheelie. That's the way we like it. You know, it's funny because I want to take this off anyways, and it popped off, so good for that, you know. It'll hold that on. There we go. Look at this van. This was given to us too. And it really is cool, and I wanted to do something with it, but I bartered with it instead because I got too many projects and I got too much shit here and I got to move stuff out of here. So I bartered with that, and we're getting rid of that. He's coming to get it Saturday. It's out of here. And don't forget, if you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure you go to YouTube, subscribe, hit the little bell. Every time we put something up, you'll get a notification. Woo! Why does he got so many slicks?